Come test drive the 2016 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: xenon headlights, remote engine start, traction control, navigation system, all-wheel drive, stability control, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, automatic transmission, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.